Hi, this video will talk about expressions, and we have the following topics to be discussed: primary, postfix, prefix, unary, and binary. But first, what is an expression? It is a sequence of operands and operators that reduces to a single value. Operands like certain variables like a, b, c, and etc. Operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. And an expressions can be simple or complex. And in an expression, there should be an operator. An operator is a syntactical token that requires an action to be taken. And an operand is an object in which an operation is performed. And this will receive an operator's action. Now we have the following expression categories. We have six: primary, postfix, prefix, unary, binary, and ternary. The postfix expression will be look like this. We have the operand, and after the operand, we have the operator, just like a plus plus. Postfix because from the word post, the operator is found at the end or right after the operand. Take note that a plus plus has the same effect as a is equal to a plus 1. And this figure shows the result of postfix expression a plus plus. We have here the expression x is equal to a plus plus. And there are two steps to do to get the result of the expression. First, we have x is equal to a. That is, the value of expression is a. Whatever the value of a will be the value of x. And the second step is the value of a is incremented by 1. That is, a is equal to a plus 1. So, if ever when you display the value of x, so the value of x will be displayed as the value of a. For example, the value of a is 5. So before incrementing 5, we have to get it and assign it to x and display. The operand in a postfix expression must be a variable. Okay, in the previous one, we have a and the operator plus plus. Now, for the prefix expression, we have the operator that is at the beginning and followed by the operand. Okay, take note, the operand must be a variable. And we have here the figure that shows the results of prefix plus plus a, in which the result of the expression will be stored to x. Now, again, there are two steps to perform the expression. First is the value of a is incremented by 1. That is, a is equal to a plus 1. Okay, again, it's the right-hand side will be assigned to the left-hand side variable. And the second one, after incrementing the value of a, the value of expression is a after increment. That is, after increment, we have to get the value of a and assign to x. That is, x is equal to a. Again, plus plus a has the same effect as a is equal to a plus 1. Take note also that plus plus, if the operator plus plus is after the operand, as in a plus plus, the increment takes place after the expression is evaluated. And if plus plus is before the operand, as in plus plus a, the increment takes place before the expression is evaluated. Okay, now we have the unary expression. Unary um, just like this prefix figure, prefix, we have the operator like plus or minus and the operand. Okay, unary like -5, +5, or plus plus a, something like that. And this table shows the examples of unary plus and minus expressions. We have here expression that is at column 1. Column 2 contains the content of A before and after expression, and column 3 is the expression value. We have the expression plus A, and the content of A is 3, and the expression value is +3. Now we have negative A, and the content of A is 3. So we have -3. And we have the expression positive A, in which the value of A is -5. So positive and negative is negative. And now we have the expression negative A, and the value of A is -5. So we have +5. Okay, negative and negative is positive. Now we have the binary expressions. From the word binary, there are two operands in the expression. We have operand followed by the operator and the operand, just like A plus B, in which the operator is plus. Now, for binary expressions, both operands of the modulo operator, that is in terms of the character percent, this is the modulo operator to be used, must be an integral types. So must have a value of um, whole number. Now let us have an example. Using this, okay, we will be using the Visual Studio 2013, but in your case, you can use the 2010 version. There is a little bit difference, like there are deprecated functions, just like scanf. It will become scanfs to the latest version. Now let's try to add new project. Then, okay, from the installed templates, we have to choose the Visual C++, and we have to start from an empty project. Okay, set the name, project name, and the location. By default, this will be located in this directory, and I will name this one as expressions. Okay, and press OK. Now let's try to wait for the project to be created. Upon creating the project, there will be directories that will be created along with your project. So we have header files, source files, resource files, and external dependencies. Now we will be work on the source files folder. We have to right click and add new item. Okay, for this file, you have two options, C++ file and the header file. For now, we'll be using the C++ file. Okay, for the C++ file, okay, so this file name, say for example, we will let this default name would be the file name of this file, .cpp. Okay, and the default location will be here, so we will leave as this location, then add. So the file will be created under the source files folder. So here, okay, we will zoom in for you to view in. Okay, now we will be